Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making another purse. This one happens to be made by Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin, and it's a UK company. I purchased the dies from Craft Stash. The purse that we're making is called Dingy Evening Clutch Die Set. But this is the die set we'll be using today. So this is what the purse looks like when it's done. So this piece here is a separate piece, and this is the main piece. The main base is here, and then of course here you have your handle here. So I closed it with the Velcro, and you can see that there it is two separate pieces. It's good size. You can still put a gift card in there, like so. Where's the gift card? There it is. And it looks like it could definitely fit more than one. It's a good amount. And you can also definitely fit candy. And then of course your gift card if you want to put that. I created this purse with Valentine's in mind, but obviously we can use it for any occasion. So this is the overall piece when it's done. And it's pretty easy to assemble. And so let's get started. So here are the pieces. We've got our side piece. We have two of those. We have our one piece, or our handle. We also have the base. And then here's the flap. They all have score lines. Better to see it here. All score lines, so we'll be folding on the score lines and building it that way. So let's build. So now you see the purse is built. There is a certain way to build this. You can't just build it like I did with this initial one that I created. I had to make another one because once you put the tags on there or the sides on there, it's very difficult to kind of place it together. So you have to build it the way I did it, basically taking two sides, and instead of gluing it the way I did it here initially, you have to glue the flaps this way and then build it from there, side to side, and then build it from there in order for the paper, in order for the purse to build and come together. So just, you know, if you do decide to buy this die, just make sure you do that so that you have your purse will come together much easier. So now all we have to do is put the strap on there, and it's basically just weaving it through this little slit here, and vice versa on this side. And then what we'll do is flip it over, put glue on the ends here, and same for this side here. And then press down. And then you'll have your strap pressed down. I'll just glue on my finger. So now you have it, and you can close it up, and you have your purse. So like I said, you can put chocolate here, a ton of chocolate. This is just 7 of them, but you can put a lot of chocolates in here. These are Doves, but you can also put a lot of gift cards in here as well. And this is a good amount of gift cards, and they all fit with still room in there. So great for gift giving, multiple gift cards, or just candies or sanitizer, whatever that you want, and you can put it in here. So for example, this is one of a Nuvo drop. You can put it in here and it fits as well. So this is what the purse looks like completed, and I need to find Velcro. Just take the ends here. That's what I like to do. Match them up, and then I'll just pull one out. Put it there, and then just align it and glue it down. Again, that's good. So that is this purse here. Again, this is the craft. Purchased it from Craft Stash. It's it's a UK company called Helen Griffin. This is called the Dingy Evening Clutch Die Set, and it comes with all these pieces. And you can definitely purchase. It took it about 3 weeks for it to arrive from the UK. So even though they have a Craft Stash US, it still takes about 3 weeks. So if you're willing to wait, I like it. It's just different and unique. There is another purse that she made that I also purchased, and this one's a little bit trickier to put together, but same concept. Velcro, ton of space. It will fit a gift card and candies, as you can tell. There's for just size comparison what one chocolate looks like in there, and then but this one has a nice little angle for the purse. And then I did two. These are 110s, and this is a paper, which is a regular paper, pretty decent, about 80 pounds. Same kind of handle like this one that it came with. And then the tricky part of this purse is the way it curves, as you can see. So what you want to do is use an easier paper, a lighter paper, I guess, not easier, but a lighter paper, because if it's like a much thicker paper, it has a tendency for the corners to want to come apart. So this one I will make as well. So these are the purses. Hopefully you like them. I will make a video of this one soon. Please let me know if you have any questions about the company, the die, the website that I purchased it from, or just have any questions with anything. Please let me know, and thank you for hanging out with me, and hope to see you again soon. Please like and subscribe if you like it, and I appreciate your time. Thank you. Bye.